I will show you how to obtain 4 shower curbs out of one standard Schluter shower curb. You think these are expensive? Not after you watch this video. So here you have it, your standard 60-inch Schluter curb, 4.5 inches wide by 6 inches tall, way too big for our builds. We like our shower curbs very low profile, narrow and short. A low-profile shower curb is the best alternative to a barrier-free curbless shower. And in this video, I will show you how to obtain 4 low-profile shower curbs out of this single Schluter shower curb here. Here we go. Now the best way to cut these shower curbs down is a table saw, but most of us tile guys, contractors, builders who remodel bathrooms and showers don't have a table saw sitting around, so the next best alternatives are a scale saw, a sawzall, or a snap-off utility knife. And if some of you are skeptical about foam shower curbs, we'll show you how strong and rigid they really are at the end of the video. Step 1, we cut the shower curb in half here and in half here. We like to use a scale along with a snap-off utility knife. As you can see here, the scale did not cut all the way through. Flip it around and make another cut. Step 2, we cut the curbs in half again. Now it's quick strips of kerdi to cap these off. It is time to quickly assemble these curbs. Now, we did not use adhesive on this curb, only screws. It's extremely rigid. You can use adhesive if you like, Kerdi-fix, silicone, and then screw down, but you got to keep in mind, this curb will be wrapped with waterproof Kerdi band, embedded in thin set as well as tile, so it will be a waterproof curb. Let's build another and use some adhesive. And there you go. Screws and adhesive. Rigid, but yet it's going to be encapsulated by thin set, waterproof band, more thin set, as well as tile. Let's quickly finish up these last two curbs, and then we will smash up this 40-pound curb right here to show you how rigid and strong these foam curbs are. The 4 curbs are done. When installed, they get wrapped with Kerdi band to waterproof the screw holes, the seams and penetrations. Now your finished width of the curb, including tile and thin set, will be a little over 3.5 inches, and your finished height will be approximately 3 3/4 of an inch. It's time to smash this curb up, but keep in mind, nobody goes into a shower with a tool belt, let alone a framing hammer. Very rigid, this foam. Embedded in thin set with tile, these foam curbs, finished, are extremely durable, extremely hard, and will last a lifetime. Well, there you have it, how to obtain 4 low-profile, sleek curbs out of 1 standard Schluter curb. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to tap that bell notification down there so you can get notified when future videos come. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the next one.